Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR MagicPad 2 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find a system and updates. Then let's tap on language and input, and then tap on language and region at the top. Now we have to tap on add language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find the language you'd like to apply and tap on it. I will pick Greek. So just tap on the language, and as you can see, your device will immediately ask you whether you want to change the system language to the chosen one. So just tap on change to confirm. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added here in this list, you can simply tap on the specific language and it will be immediately applied. So it is much easier and faster than choosing it from the list. If you want to, you can also remove the languages here from this list here. Just tap on delete, mark the language you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. Confirm it with OK, and as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.